Ever heard your users complain, "Why's my Zoom call lagging but YouTube streams just fine?" That's where leisure internet comes into play. If you're working in IT, you know not all network traffic is created equal. Some apps are mission critical. Think video conferencing, cloud ERP, or sensitive payment systems. Others? Well, they're just for fun. Netflix, Fortnite, endless scrolling on Instagram. So, what is leisure internet? Picture it as a separate, lower priority lane on your digital highway, reserved for non-essential stuff. It's not a single product or protocol, but a smart network design philosophy. When you set up leisure internet, you're basically telling your network, hey, let business apps blaze ahead, and let the cat videos cruise in the slow lane. Let's break down how it actually works. The magic happens with tools you probably already know: VLANs, SSIDs, firewall policies, South Dakota, WAN, and good old quality of service, QoS. Say, you run 2 VLANs, one for mission-critical traffic, one for leisure. You put that guest Wi-Fi or student streaming binge on the leisure VLAN. Then you shape bandwidth, add content filters, maybe even send that traffic over a cheaper broadband link while business traffic zips along fiber or MPLS. In practice, you'll see leisure internet pop up everywhere. In enterprise offices, employees' personal devices get shuffled to the leisure track, keeping those corporate resources safe and snappy. In schools, students' Netflix habit won't drag down online learning platforms. Hotels keep guest Wi-Fi, leisure internet, far away from payment systems, and at branch offices South Dakota, SDWAN can send Salesforce or Zoom over the fast lane while YouTube updates take the scenic route. So why bother? First, prioritization. Business apps stay smooth even if someone's streaming cat fails. Second, security. By isolating leisure traffic, you're protecting sensitive systems from guests or BYOD devices. Third, cost. You can send non-critical traffic over cheaper links, saving that pricey bandwidth for what matters most. And finally, bandwidth efficiency. You make sure TikTok doesn't hog the corporate WAN. Of course, leisure internet has its limits. You can block risky domains, think torrents or adult sites. Cap the speed, cut off access to internal resources, even redirect DNS for extra visibility. Bottom line, leisure internet isn't just about keeping the memes flowing. It's about building smarter, more secure, and more efficient networks. Next time you're tuning a firewall or designing a branch rollout, remember, sometimes slowing down the cat videos is the fastest way to keep business on track.